Price lists are lists of prices of items on sale. They can be used to mask control or modify your item prices for a specific customer or a vendor or even a transaction. To understand price lists better, let's see an example. Assume that you have 5,000 items in your inventory and you wish to give a 10% discount for Christmas or even a summer sale. To do this, it would be unfeasible to edit the prices of all your items every time and override your items. You can overcome the situation using price lists. You can create price lists for each and every situation or case and apply them to your contacts or transactions and accordingly have your item prices altered for these customers or orders. To enable price lists, click on the settings icon from the top right corner. Select Preferences from the drop-down. You will be redirected to the Preferences module under Settings. Select the Items tab under Preferences. Now, under Select the modules you would like to enable, you have the option of Price Lists. Check the box near it and click on the Save button. Doing this will cause the app to refresh and unravel the Price List module under the Settings. Henceforth, you can also access the Price List module from the Settings module. Creating your very first price list will unlock a price list field in all your contacts, sales orders, invoices, purchase orders, and bills, where you can associate a price list of your choice to that entity. Go to the Price List module under Settings and click on the New Prices button from the top right. You will be redirected to a new price list page. Provide a name for your price list and choose the type of your price list. If you choose sales, your price list will be available for the sales transactions, and if you choose purchases, your price list will be available for the purchase transactions. Choose how you want to control the item rate. You can do so in two ways, by percentage and by entering the rate individually for each and every item. Depending on the choice, the price list creation process will differ significantly. On choosing by percentage, proceed to the percentage field. Choose whether you wish to mark up or mark down and enter the percentage of the cost that you wish to mark up or mark down. Configure how your prices must be rounded off to by entering the round off value. Add a description for your price list and to finish, click on the Save button. On choosing to enter the rate individually for each item, proceed to the currency field. Choose a currency for the price list. Add new rates or prices for your preferred items one by one. Next, add a description for your price list. Once you're ready, click on the Save button. If there comes a situation where there are more than 500 items, we suggest that you export the item list as a CSV file, add the custom rates in the exported CSV file, and then import the file with the new custom rates. To create a price list in a foreign currency, you can use the option of entering item rates individually. This price list will allow you to alter the prices at the item level and also gives you the ability to assign a currency for the prices on this list. Hence, if you wish to create price lists in foreign currency, this is the option for you. Since we support two kinds of price lists, one for sales and one for purchase transactions, we also have provided separate import options for both. To import a price list, click on the settings icon from the top right corner and select the option called price list in the drop down. You will be directed to the price list module under settings. Select the other settings icon that is next to the new price list button and now choose the import sales price list or import purchase price list option from the drop down. You will be redirected to the price list import page. To help you prepare your import file, please download the sample file from this page and arrange your data according to this file. Click on the Choose File button, browse and upload your CSV or TSV import file containing your price list. Select the character encoding and file delimiter as applicable. Clicking on the Next button will take you to the field mapping interface on a new page. Zoho Inventory automatically matches similar fields between the app and the file. If needed, you can also manually match and map them. Check the option Save these selections for use during future imports to automate the future mapping process. Clicking on Next will redirect you to the import preview page. Here, one can view the status of the price list ready for import, number of skipped records, and unmapped fields. If you wish to make any changes, you can bolt back by clicking on the previous button. To complete the import process, click on the Import button. To edit a price list, hover your cursor over the preferred price list. Click on the Edit option to the right of your price list. The Edit Price List window opens up bearing all the fields. Update the necessary information and click on the Save button to finish. To delete a price list, hover your cursor over the price list that you wish to delete. Click on the trash bin icon to the right of the price list. This will be followed by a confirmation pop-up. Click on the OK button to delete the price list. Please note that this process is irreversible. Similar to import, we have provided separate export options for sales and purchase price lists. To export price lists, click on the gear icon that's next to the New Price List button. Choose either the Export Sales Price List or Export Purchase Price List option from the drop-down. This will trigger an Export Price List pop-up bearing all the necessary fields. The entity field will, by default, be Sales Price List or Purchase Price List based on your selection. Select the export file format accordingly using the Export As field. To finish, click on the Export button. The file will be saved to your default Downloads folder. You can make your existing price list active or inactive. To deactivate a price list, hover your cursor over an active price list that needs to be deactivated. Click on the Mark as Inactive option on the right of your price list. Now, this price list becomes inactive. To reactivate an inactive price list, hover your cursor over the inactive price list. Click on the Mark as Active option on the right of the price list. Doing this will reactivate this price list. That's all for this video. Please contact support at zoho-inventory.com if you need any further assistance.